fighting? Why the killing? Yeah. What is it? Why the hating? Yeah. Why the shooting? Why the beefing? Yeah. And as you say, I can never tell.
The truth is, after this semester, I will come up for this. After this semester.
But why? But why? What kind of young person is that? Not with this school, or the clinically, you are not the same. My brother, me support you. Me too, I'm changing this school.
Me don't talk, like after this semester, I'm not going to see me for it. Like the fear is too much.
But it's not concern you now.
Okay,
like me I not go
first.
anywhere.
Make concern me
not
first.
Be me they kill I not join with the join. So really. After semester.
I don't move. Like,
so now I'm come out leave. No, I read the school.
Stay now,
I'll talk to my parents about it. All the same, God will see us.
God will see us.
But
after this semester, God will see us.
Today is the saddest day of my life. Black dogs get mined by a sparrow. Sparrow, mama, the thing pain me, oh. Pain me. This one pain me. That I want everybody say make una match una guard. Say these blood suckers, they junction, they find who they want before. But I can't go choose my sparrow. Capon! Sparrow lose guard. You dey mad. Not be you cause this problem over there, so. Come, who give you the order to take put their hitman down last year? Capon, I run on based on personal issue. Why you not carry that personal issue go your papa's? You the craze. Eh? Who put you for this game? Person like you not supposed to do this level because you not get orientation. You not get account shit. Okay, because say tools dey your possession now, you don't believe say man anybody will talk to you anyhow to go pull it. See, I want everybody when they here. I want everybody. It's one of final warning. Anybody will lose guard and they drop her. Me, Empire. Not go pronounce war for anybody.
Yeah. Why the fighting? Why the killing? Yeah. What is it? Why the hating? Yeah. Why the shooting? Why the beefing? Yeah. And as you say, I can never tell. Yeah. Why the fighting? Why the killing? Yeah. What is it? Why the hating? Yeah. Why the shooting? Why the beefing? Yeah. And as you say, I can never tell.
Black dogs! No suckers! Black dogs! No sucker! Black dogs! No sucker! Jack!
Dog. If they blah blah, we go blah blah. Alicia laugh.
They go hear one. They sure. Black Jesus!
Must not save you.
Thank you for safe delivery. Now, soft can rest in peace. Black dogs!
No suckers!
Black dogs!
No suckers!
Black dogs!
Alicia laugh. If they blah blah, we go blah blah.
Why the fighting? Why the killing? Yeah. What is it? Why the hating? Yeah. Why the shooting?
Eghe.
Boy.
Why would my school?
Yajo. 12 a.m. class, 12 o'clock.
12. So, what 8 of high to nani? Huh? One time by mobile, I never went at school.
Yajo, 12, you know, 12. We went 12 what to Neke.
Oma, working on where no love one way. Uri by. Who take where you buy a gas? One. Again, wait,
Freedom. Ma, you win on your day. Freedom.
Pagwe, Mulawa.
It did.
Pagwe, Popolari.
You know, already, ne?
Already,
Oh, man.
Oriome.
Alpha.
Mercedes. Oh, Mercedes man.
Echo. Niku wemwe. Oh my God.
Fred, why are you guys avoiding me?
Nobody's avoiding you. Nobody's avoiding you. No one wants me, your boyfriend, just see us together. That's all.
He's not my boyfriend. He's just choking me. Michelle.
Choking you.
Yes. And I don't like him.
See, just try give him a chance now. That guy get power for this campus, he too get level. At least he go protect you, give you what you want. You know, nothing go reach, no flag go reach where you dey.
Protect me. I don't need his protection. Moreover, if I need, I know where to get it from. I don't like cultists.
My dear, there is nothing wrong with dating cultists, okay?
Really?
Just now, normal thing now.
There's nothing wrong with dating cultists.
Uh-huh.
He get any bad thing, we good thing there inside. Just think of.
Spare me that, me forget that one. What you they talking
There's
about?
nothing bad in being a cultist.
Now, see, if person just go do anything, go wrong things or go chop wish because me think they oppress us. Nothing bad for that. Now, normal thing.
Eghe, I can see you are ready to waste your parents' money on police officers. Anyways, suit yourself.
Suit yourself too.
Oh, babe! Gee! Babe, guess what?
You're not good in guessing.
Just try, please. Yes! Babe! Baby, let it go. Yeah, tell me admission. Yeah. Oh, you can't do a life in a year. You own you university. University, as in the one I desire, the one I want. Finally, I got admission. God, I'm so happy. Wow! Tell me about what you see.
In your manner, here.
Kakabo.
Hey.
Yes, you baby, you're paying me.
So, ma,
Okay.
how do you raise money for your school fees, clearance, and see yourself through school?
Babe, it's a one man. Maybe hold on where the baby don't exist. happiness. Salubo. And when I can, you may ramage the here blue. Looking at her system. You may live in here.
Yawe mi kemi. No me energy school. Ugbe mi majo. I can ken weju.
Then you hear you
Oma. Otera me we ma. Iya mo here. Yes.
We are here, Tera.
Yeah, you tell me. No me energy school. You deserve it.
If I told baby, that's too much for me. Eh? Okay, why are you, Tera? The man
Well, I'm doing it for you. I'm doing it for myself too. And we are just school and I will be in a banner. Oh, we do you will say now.
Oh, man, do carry you anyway.
That's why you are my baby. Okay, you know how to
Well, I'm happy. Thank you so much, darling.
It's good news. I'm so proud of you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Go, baby.
Yes, darling.
Why the fighting, why the killing, yeah? What is it, why the hating, yeah? Why the shooting, why the beefing, yeah? And as you say, I can never tell.
If they plop, we go plop.
How many times?
Empire, why they shout like mad dog? She happy person will not hear what you talk. Happy you deaf?
Papa, your mama na deaf. See, I not come here, come follow you do shishishi. I can't give you simple lesson and you listen. Ugbe, let today be the first and last where you carry your two left leg. Enter my faculty or collect budget.
If you let me know, say, now your papa, now get this campus.
I dey tell you now, and my papa placenta, and I take build this.
Ah yeah.
Ugbe wugu weneni ya, ukiri wo.
See, Empire. Now Max, now you dey. Unoje.
I swear.
Passa. I need the Empire. Hola. Make noise like amplifier. But if you want wahala, you will see wahala.
Connection.
Double.
Empire.
Watch your back. Abia hugbe. Yikamuda. Oda wana make me aware. I know they will watch my back.
Capone, let me have a few these people now. If they are your, why is your squad to go?
Boss, at the paro.
No, at the paro. So where I dey, person they use out they touch you. Now me be Black Jesus. Anywhere I dey, peace not the day. I was supposed to drop one.
Who forgive the short time?
Capone. Why the fighting, why the killing, yeah? What is it, why the hating, yeah? Why the shooting, why the beefing, yeah? And as you say, I can never tell.
Anyway, I got no buy any Yawu at school.
Oh, you will make trust him. Eh? Why can you trust him? No one woman again. Yamak Massa, where are school? I got no buy. Yet you will be my head.
On my way, they big me one from school. I will get him of saying a prayer for a year in Imagina, also said.
Ah, wow, that's true. Yeah. It's a much. He had to marry school. They are living. Oh, yes, it's school. He are running about in the oh, and we are money. Oh, so see me your friend.
Udu kekeke. Udu kekeke. Udu kekeke.
Waya where universal youth way. Ya woni ari ya yi mamure.
Almighty Capone. We don't too quiet for these dogs. Ben Macron will have a kid now. Normally, boss.
we don't cap the same draw. If you reason on the known instead, they don't top us. But me, I not dread that. You not Bali.
Baba, I dey vex. I did this school for 13 years now. Person no fit come for our mouth now for where you dey. No fit happen now. Check them out.
Huh? Baba, give order. My finger don't dey bat me.
Udu keke. Like this, anybody wanna see for this faculty, they collect budget. They gonna offer. Ayos! Wanna use something strong.
Confirm.
Open one go collect.
Yo, I know.
I need person head. Almighty Capon. Udu keke. Udu keke.
Yes. What is good about the afternoon? What's that your name again, Bella?
Yes, sir.
I thought I told you that you are carrying over my course.
Oga lecturer. Now because I don't know your course, my course. No, I'm not carrying the course.
Now this is the problem. Can you imagine? I wonder how you got here in the first case. You can't even express yourself. You can't even speak in a good English.
Oga lecturer. Even if say you know they collect bribe, you know see they collect some.
Will you shut up? What insolence? What temerity? Now, here's the deal, young lady. If you study my course, you pass my course. If you fail to study my course, you carry it over. You hear what I'm saying? Now listen, if you don't mind, I have a meeting. Leave me now. Out of my sight. Can you imagine? People go about accusing lecturers of being promiscuous. Whereas it is students like this, miscreants like this, that goes about trying to seduce these people, these people that have taken out their time to read and become what they are. I am Mr. Dada, an associate prof. You cannot soil my image. You can't.
Why the fighting, why the killing, yeah? What is it, why the hating, yeah? Why the shooting, why the beefing, yeah? And as you say, I can never tell. Why the fighting, why the killing, yeah?
So come on.
What is it, why the hating, yeah? Why the shooting, why the beefing, yeah? And as you say, I can never tell.
Papa, boy, celebrate the past here. Nobody pass here. No worry, we'll talk. No worry, thank you, bro.
Why the fighting, why the killing, yeah? What is it, why the hating, yeah? Why Why the shooting, why the beefing, eh? And as you say, I can never tell.
Jack, I'm not desperate to come. If anything should happen to Eghe, everyone will not know that Eghe. Trust me, you and your cohort will rot in jail.
Don't get me not well. Like the way we get beat you.
You don't understand. As who? My boyfriend. Or Erami, the one of who? Hey, they just stop me. You hear me?
See, I tell you. See, for this girl, I'll tell you now they run now. If you're not dating for this girl, you don't have to date anybody. Mark my word.
Jack, so mark my word. I can never be yours. Not in this life, and not in the next to go. Stop tormenting me.
You never will see anything. If I not do you for this, nobody will ever do you. You go see her.
Baby, don't mean it.
Yeah, I think what Agbewa. But we are giving more time. It may not be to our win our routine. We going home. All the others on the box.
Hey, when I be hearing, and so my baby will marry with a risky we taking. Eh? I'm not a risky, no. Well, so I say, where to receive all my life, only the most important thing.
You don't know, no. You for yourself, you will let on every before. No, I do.
Before,
yeah.
What can I call it like this?
Oh, what do you? Yeah, do you?
Before, do you? I give you away. And maybe make me charge an hour.
You know, who are the other use of you who you want to charge it for? Me, I want to charge it. Don't want to see you away.
Come on to carry you. Yeah, when you for the bag here. Where they?
Why the fighting, why the killing, yeah? What is it, why the hating, yeah? Why the shooting, why the beefing, yeah? And as you say, I can never tell.
Huh? Bori?
How would you want?
Hey, Eghe, look at this. A kitty from Romajo.
Okay. If one we, we ban.
What am I for?
Remember why we the people?
Wow.
Babe, what's happening? I didn't see you in class.
Bella, I'm worried though. I feel mafia.
I feel mafia with Baba Sunu.
See, Jack chased Eghe. Eh? And I'm suspecting he's going to hurt him. Because up to them, made me in school.
Come on, we try another college.
I did. Switched off.
Nah, seriously.
Very serious, so the men are here. Jack. I don't know what to do.
Hey, what's up? Hi, babe.
Oh, Benny, I tell you the phone. So, but I really make charge on the okay. And again, maybe I may charge the passport in our really phone. I was there, man, I really cheap. That is going to wait in the case.
Who were you talking about? Where's my brother? May my expect one day we are in before. I swear. Then my son, I'm here.
Yeah. Where's it? So, when am I phone tonight?
Yeah. Baba, who from Ladin? What is all over? See,
if we are different, we can now. If we are going to phone out here, that way is cool.
Where's really no man. Nobody will do this.
Waiting person will do that. I didn't say you need that.
Back to West.
say you dey with am for there?
Plus the money no big, fear no let me give you now.
Ah, they ask you say how much dey with you, say fear no let you talk am. How much dey with you?
1K.
1K?
Give me my money now.
How worry, give am.
One figure.
Well, money go collect am. See,
Big rich 1K to give it.
as you dey do like this, so no change your hand, though.
Okay,
And pull out for you. Hey, come back. No, leave them now. You know, say I dey advise person. If you reach their turn, you go collect our money. You understand? As I was saying, as you dey pay your dues, so you dey pay am like that. You no go get carry over. Who are you? You like to snap selfie? Abi you like to dey snap selfie?
No, I don't want to snap picture.
You don't want to snap picture?
No, bro.
No wahala.
See, how many times my capon don't tell you now say when I don't enter this car? When they collect juice. Who you be? So you go the cap, I mean. The next time you try this kind of thing, the school authority will rusticate all of us. That one means say
shut up! Fabi, man, shut up.
That one means say they go for sure all of us come up for this. Change the year round. Problem not there. Yeah.
See,
Let me say boss not there outside.
Smally, I better you just now say make you shift. Make I
You get problem, big problem.
No, shut up.
What they collect money for that?
Shut up, E. Shut up.
Let me
You
shut
never
up.
need to smoke you.
Let me shut up.
I dey worry you so.
Alpha.
Shut up. As I was saying, you talk one word just now say your capon. So, I want to send you this message. Go meet your capon. You go now say appear. You go now see this appear like that. Or else you no go like what you want appear. No.
It's like you don't very crazy.
But I want give you now one respect because now we fed your phone and go. Guys, phone.
Mother move. Come up there. Come follow. Move it. Now. See how far. Follow your man. We come to the for you. Move. So we think about the school premises. Now forget wahala this hour. 0 hour. Forget problem. Hear me, sir.
I'm getting tired of this school already. I wonder why the school authority is doing nothing about this courtesy in this school.
Nigeria, you are right. Some police officers came yesterday for investigation.
What investigation? Investigation is not enough. They know the bad boys in this school. They need to arrest them and bring them to justice, period. All this operation is too much.
A lot of time. They didn't have me my wedding and my go. Here we get used, you know. I want community and report to my school authority.
That's the problem. Nobody will dare to go and report to the school authority. All this operation is too much. Nobody. I'm tired.
Me too. I'm tired.
The operation not too much, Eghe.
Why the fighting, why the zita, why the hating, why the shooting, why the beefing, And as you say, I can never tell.
Yes, good afternoon.
This is the name of the people that bought the textbook.
Just these slips?
Yes, ma'am.
That's fine. You go back to them. Tell them that those people that their names are written here, they've passed my course. Okay, and for those that their names are not here, they have carryover already. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Everything about this school is just money. I'm tired of this.
I know it's school. You don't get money, don't take off your cost. Before say that for us now.
And the other thing is that they say that if we don't buy the textbook, that we are going to get carryover.
Carryover.
So you guys need to fast and worry about the textbook.
What's up now?
Yes,
I submitted the name of the people that bought this textbook. And your name was not in my list, so
From Nigeria, okay.
carry over, but I know that one. I used to be. Now you are the lecturer again. What's up now?
Yes, they never the textbook.
Who is there? I don't tired.
Already? Why here? They said I'm here.
Guess what?
What?
Eghe being adult.
Really?
Yes.
Wow!
I hold on your back. I will read a scholarship in me throughout my days in the university.
Timata! Wow! I'm happy for you, darling! Congratulations!
Yeah, every on your back. We can have an Igbo taking our one.
What was taking your one? What do you have to take care of? What do we make him a driver?
Maybe the argue, maybe. Who if I'm a given who will at home or one in the Muslim? Say now we to plan your marriage.
Well, that's okay. Problem is wrong. Anyway, this call for a big celebration.
Hell, we are
all right.
I was worried. I don't think bad might have happened to you. You got me scared.
My baby, you have to run for my dear life. As far as we were meant to see a movie here, and I got low. Well, with the mirror. You are cool. So, yeah, I miss you too. So, what about your class yesterday?
Oh, fine.
Okay. How many times they want you to stay away from my girlfriend? My girl, like a friend, even. Okay.
Don't come, man. So, baby, as I was saying,
Eghe. Wait one.
Baby, what about your
So you don't go chop wish.
You not rich now.
You want to chop wish? Go to chop moon wish. Okay.
Next target. You'll see him for this campus. Promo room. Okay, sure. You'll feel him.
Okay. Don't go chop wish, Abi.
100 sure. The next target.
Bro, now me can't be Eghe, but now I am called Eghe one mama. See, now bro, kill the papa. My name is Eghe one mama. The first, everybody there.
Enjoy your day.
Eghe,
Enjoy yourself.
I'm there with you. I'm there with you. Good afternoon, sir. I come to say that so that so they embrace it and say, I want beyond.
Very, very grateful.
Organ matter. Maybe even the give money manage. Understand? Not be say old man just to get like that, but small pension level when you just to get if you see shares, some kind of things for the house.
But I not be manageable. And I just see me why you know now compared to move my feet on the car.
Hey boy. But you like it room manager.
Well, you may like it. That's heaven on earth. You want me a room in my car? My wife and I buy a chair room. Maybe I know you're born or fail of your born. Lalo think you do over by.
I swear.
My brother.
No, but here you are my blood, eh? Where are you? You are my blood. You understand? So, we don't really know where you are now.
Hey, my brother.
From today, anybody I know I will be around you. I'm happy. I'm okay.
Yeah, but you mean when you marry me, I will go and do nobody.
Yeah.
You son. Yeah.
Alright, DJ in the garden. Wait, this way.
You mommy, how are you? Where am I going?
Why the fighting? Why the killing? Yeah. What is it? Why the hating? Yeah. Why the shooting? Why the beefing? Yeah.
Papa, if I did like exam, you know say you get matter to all this time. But if I don't write this thing down, I want to pass a guy fashion. No lecturer for this school will fail. You be mad. You know the near our name for this town.
See, guy, you get more that we wrong now. You need to move. I don't want to lose my course. Waiting the worry you now. You know what I mean? You're bringing to me, lad. You know how many people hear your name? And the one man on a big name. You understand? Guy, move fashi. I understand. Your first assignment, you need to confirm it now. You know what I mean? You're bringing to me, lad. I don't understand. Catch that one, you see Capone. How far? Oh my God. Forget that.
Why the fighting? Why the killing?
Allah, please don't kill me. Oh my God!
Rugged you. Rono. It's sweet. Move on.
Please don't kill me. Please.
Finish up. Yeah, take. Finish. Finish up. Put it come fast. Put it come. Yeah. Finish up. Put it. Do it. Off the lights.
Please.
Put it. Fast.
Please don't kill me, please.
Don't come.
Please.
Why the fighting? Why the killing? Yeah. What is it? Why the hating? Yeah. Why the shooting? Why the beefing? Yeah. And as you say, I can never tell. Why the killing? Why the shooting? I don't want to know. Why the killing? Why the fighting? I don't want to know. Why the killing? Why the hating? I don't want to know. Why the kicking? Why the beefing? I don't want to know.
All is not well, officer. This is becoming a day-to-day reoccurrence. Students now find it difficult to come to school. Even with the lecturers, the VC no longer sleep. We sleep with one eye open, one eye closed. The last time your people came here, they said they would do something about it. Yet, nothing was done. Please, you have to do something this time. It's okay. It's alright. Please, you have to do something this time.
Frank.
Sir! Take the keys to the car.
Yes, sir.
Take it to the business office. This way, please.
Eghe, what are we doing here?
My dear, let's just enjoy ourselves. Ija ki torment yin mi le. Ja wa enjoy me man. You want enjoy me when you torment me, torment me kede lo ado.
Ija ki torment me.
Yeah. By now, people know where.
My brother.
Boy.
Apa.
Yeah.
Why did you work well for?
Assignment for this work is soft.
I'm not well.
How you do?
I may I want then away. Even if Baba any man in my yard. We might them your way.
Okay, need to go body the man. But already the matter guy.
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 We are my t-shirt.
Not your one, not your own. Where you had the look money, huh? I had look my brother. I'm a very major. I'm not a close type.
Eh, Baba na no where you ni ere ni ma ya we shop we wait time Baba.
Yeah. Baba mami ya. Where? Baba ed madu eh. Me like ukmo me agba se ti jeje so pa je wo pa moki. Man understand. I mean we beg we tell any who you na akati. E ya fun wa ba ni wo ye 50,000 there work pa aka. I dey fear you. My brother, you go there waro ari our year on the things. Our we won't be away have man suppose no money for hand.
When I say Baba only man we are look good. When I to the public,
you need to look good so that when we say key, then once through looking away go and half voice no je we boria I will come Kinowa State so that the grace man will cover we what just the dress they enjoy it.
When man will look good. Mama, it's a family. After Eghe later, you get here, that's so you get about it.
Listen.
My area for what?
I just come. I mean, okay.
How about you?
If I don't
What do you want to say about the club with me?
oh, Baba, Arsenal me working for life. Oh, Eghe me to betray you. Arsenal of Guyana.
Okay, Baba, no more years here. No see a club in my not your way.
Yeah, no, there is what I said. When I suppose I said, at your woman, Manchester United, the best of the world.
Baba, why? Where are you? Baba,
Eba, no matter what I want here. Me support or you support. Normally, normal human being when you understand ball, now Arsenal. As a wiggy, corners for life.
Arsenal, the Madrid why you are where up boy you
Madrid Biaka.
Any way Madrid Boa. You might have said,
Arsenal all why number 1. I be Woman bani ni ya emu nana.
Isha,
what? The Madrid the team mo copy now.
Everybody cool. Hey, Mege, support Arsenal. Say what support Arsenal.
The corners.
Man United are the best club.
Mana why the corners? Give up.
Up gunners. Hey, wait for that. Fly Emirates.
My nigga.
Gunners or
Madrid. Madrid. Why you happen now?
Yeah. I'm going to have where Arsenal, where Manchester United.
Chico, who left it? Left it. I get my day.
Baba, we not turn on. Yeah, what time? We not turn on. A petition movie in the club. You are Benin, just shut up. The Barcelona, we are the Barcelona, but no shut up again. Baba,
okay, my face
oh, you want?
Yeah.
Normally, Montiwe. You understand? When you get what time because of this weather, but you're talking more at school. You understand?
What's the?
Yeah, go work. We may have this Arsenal team in a woman like
Gunners for life.
You understand? I want to anybody I can really man I mean my back party be hands down. So as you yours day so you know say this cooperation day or oppression day many things they suck for this school and for you to defeat that kind of pressure quick you know run things open up understand or you wear to defeat some kind of pressure.
My head can go. Marina, my own that once open up now.
I don't want me to join fatality, more the package.
Okay. Cut it away.
Forget only. How to be cut it away? You very well time. I mean, we want big deal. Now you're normal group of people when they don't need oppression. So you'll be now.
Well, normal group of people. Cut is the cut is. How will you believe, man?
How are you only wearing a belly man? That one, you don't find trouble, you go find her. Now, just to defend yourself, no oppression. That's what you'll be. Maybe you deal with me more at the package this level.
Salute, guys. Set.
What?
No, maybe it's good to study now. I'm here to better my life. Hey, don't take my cut here. How do you stick below? Oh, okay. Hey, cut is working.
Well, relax me, you join more at package this level.
Are you here, my brother? Yes.
More you may go when I move to me.
Why the fighting? Why the killing? Yeah. What is it?
Because I want package you.
Why the shooting? Why the beefing?
You where I be.
And as you say, I can never tell.
What do you want to say?
gbari school.
Oh, we here, Joe. How about?
Yes, sir. Where do you
Eh, no.
I'm talking can we uje square da.
Eh, makawere.
Makawere. Yeah.
Why you no ya pa my give me go wa.
Eh wa kwa wa bi ya.
Eh, obi amege ni ya la we be tun se ge ya.
Ijaji ke ezoro.
Eh, baba.
Ijaji.
Jaji baba. Ni mezege wa wa. Kwa ba.
Natona. Idekana.
I say me you deal with me more the package together. What can problem you with?
Eghe. Shey me and you don dey package. We dey package na. No be package we dey do so.
Package as how I don't understand. See me you can't join my contract. More they do things together. More just be brother finish. Understand?
Ní ọ̀pá no fit join court. How me wan come take join court? Me I come school for learn. It go dey by court.
You court not they call am court. This thing a union. Na just normal club issue. You understand? Not be court.
Court na court.
Na business.
Na lie. Court na court. I don't fit join this one. I don't fit join this one.
Omoye, you know one thing. You not try. You not try at all. You dey fuck up. Upon the good things wey my guy don do for you. He don't try for you. He don't package you normally. But now I dey fuck up.
I pick you from the gutter, you know. Now from gutter I pick you, I wash you up, I do many things. I do many things for you. Even waiting my father not for you even do for me, they do one for you. See how you complain now, see how you take position.
Don't see the way they shine.
You understand? You want to betray me like say tomorrow not there. Time for you to pay me back with good. Now you can't pay me back with evil.
Simple thing.
Okay. I appreciate everything when you do. All the good things when you do, I really appreciate. And I go pay you back in time to come, but to come join court, no nah. I don't fit join court to pay you back, bros. No, this is how you talk, Baba.
Amoyi.
Eghe, what is the song? Man, this guy.
Moyi.
You know see wetin dey yarn. He say court no be better. This guy dey craze.
Leave on.
Yeah.
And my brother, I will still talk to them. You know, some of those people when they push me by road, get the way they hide me.
Babe, the project in Ninime, summit event. A lecturer, eh? I will not sense in your heart. May they understand. Oh, I saw you sorry. Babe. 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 You don't understand. Listen, you might look happy. You are not fine. Maybe I'm man, that will go here. But for now, you are not happy. Where go on here?
So I tell you, are you going? Are you
so sorry. You know what you can do. The supplement, you have to play it. When you may hear and no foul. You may no rira ra origin gene. The supplement, here we on no see comment around. You know ballo. You just have to take it, my dear. I'm so sorry. You just have to take it. My love, you have to give up. You have to stand for yourself. Okay? Please, honestly. No woman. If you're quite on here, just take it, please. Okay? Be happy. I go. The face you were not giving another, but only a smile. At least I'm here for you.
Guess what? Yeah. A result in a dismissal. It was lovely. Yeah, I did well.
I'm very, very happy. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So, I don't know what happened. There's some carryover in my course, as in, I don't understand why.
What is it? Because here woman not see a big cabo here now.
That's why
That's
I'm
not
very
possible.
confused. I don't even know what confusing me away now.
Wow, this is bad news.
And besides that, we remain some missing scripts.
Really? Usually your mona bamoko. Ah, you can know she.
Where do you get what do I do? I said, I will see you too. I don't know. Oh, really? No, you don't mobile. What you call me? I don't quite do the man also. Or you always be your back, or you wear your back. Yeah, they don't. Oh, yeah, what was it? Get quite the bag. Where's it?
Yeah, class rep, I sent for you.
Please, make sure you write the names of those students paying for my textbooks. Okay, you understand? Yes, write it very well. Okay, you may go.
Good day, ma'am.
Yes, how may I help you?
My name is Omori. I'm sure I did well in your exam. I'm shocked I failed it, ma'am.
You wrote my course?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, maybe you failed already.
It can't be possible, ma'am.
And you know what that means. That's a carryover for you.
Ma'am, please, I demand to see the answer booklet.
Will you keep quiet, my friend? You have to wait for next session to rewrite your exam.
Ma'am, please, isn't there something you can do? Please.
There is nothing I can do.
Please, ma'am.
Mr. Man, get out!
Please, ma'am.
Out!
Ma'am, there is something you can do, ma'am. Ma'am, check, there might be something you can do, ma'am.
If you like, just dey waste your time. If you like, just dey waste your time, go dey meet lecturer and all.
Eghe, don't tell me you have a hand in this. Enter my own boy, me no sunu now.
Say I can't.
Now lay hand.
Moyi, my leg join.
No.
Oyi, my leg, follow. I go put my hand, I will put my leg. You understand? See, if you don't use your head, you don't get sense. If you don't think twice. That's why your paper will not disappear. You go to disappear. Hey, come on. Eghe! Your paper will not disappear.
Normally. Eghe, you have been wicked, Eghe! Eghe!
What is that?
Eghe!
mi wá bèrè ló pa mi pa ẹ̀yà wá bí sinmi dẹ̀gbẹ́ àdúgbò ibi wù fún mi kí pa sàmúlùwà ọ̀láyà dé ẹ̀rọ mi yẹn ta ma mi nílẹ̀ dé bá tó pa bí wá bí sèwà yàyẹn kò dé bá kí ni wọ́n dé gbòòrò ní gbogbo iṣẹ́ tí ń dé bá ìmẹ̀rí èsìkò dùn wẹ́bì yàyẹn kò dé bá tó. case. Since you entered this school, we never record your thing.
Bros, anything concerning school, concerning tea, I don't understand. Try to be in school and tea.
Alpha, collect those books from me.
Give me those notes. These are my personal property. I don't feel give you.
Ow! Ah! Sure you don't understand, Nabi? Your man don't do like that. You don't play it for you now.
Babe, what's going on? What? Shit. Babe.
You want to go to here? Where do you want to go to here? Okay, one more you.
Eghe! One more you want it. Someone you live it. I found it.
What's your uncle going here? We might go on. Hey, before the Magualo. Before the Magualo. One year, hey, if you were very new, one, everyone Hayaji, my beg any, Hayaji, only no soon, or could have what I'm no soon. I'm on you. Again, wait now. What you with your pa? You okay? What you go? Where? What you go? What?
Oh, you look bad. What can I put you, man?
You not see the apple. You look bad.
Okay, you do have your own coin. Okay, it's not to happen that time. How could you move on?
So, we were passed through. I didn't know that you didn't even bother to tell me.
Babe, Matthew, you are bother, eh? See, you need to what I do. Now, how we do spread the rain,
This is serious, I swear. Fine, yeah. If no sooner, first thing tomorrow morning, you might have a rail station. You might have report a case in. Hey, a life you matters a lot to me. I don't want anything to happen to you. Please.
Are you sure it will work?
Of course.
There might be police in our Jamie and here. So now we cause him more problem.
No. Hi, babe, believe me, it will work.
Who is that?
Manuel.
Eghe, what do you want?
Peace talk.
What do you want, Eghe?
Peace talk, you know.
By nonsense, so
Eghe, lawo CIA. Eghe bi o pasu lu dai lawo.
So
standing, walking against the land of peace. Why they killing? Why they losing?
you know what? Wow, pin head down.
Eghe lawo, where on Eghe lawo.
Oh, make a noise here.
One mama.
Hey, I cover again, so. Hey, listen, don't cover it, so. I want me to see everything. No, say.
Why you make noise?
Oh, what? See, I need more noise. Bring out that.
One mama.
This I